Hello, Dr. Ranu. Welcome to India Fest. How does it feel being the president of a wonderful organization?
Thanks, Ronnie. Thanks for letting me say something on your personal camera. I am very excited that we are celebrating a big day here, India Fest 2012. There will be a lot of entertainment throughout the day. You already see there are so many booths, vendors here, which are displaying all the Indian crafts, clothing, jewelry, etc. Starting at 12 o'clock, we're going to open the door for public and it will be a huge crowd. They'll enjoy the day till 9-10 p.m. So I hope everyone will come and enjoy the day here.
So another feather in your cap, possibly.
Thank you very much.
Okay.
It's a feather in the cap of whole executive council.
Of course. Thank you. The perfect spot for light.
Absolutely.
Give me a name.
I'm Flora Parik, the vendor chair here for the Indian Association of Long Island India Fest. We have a variety of vendors in here and we are doing absolutely fantastic. Everybody is very excited, very, very happy. We have a special food corner. Our vendors have displayed some wonderful stuff in here. So we are very excited for the event and this is supposed to be one of the best events of the year.
I can tell already. The energy level is very high here.
Thank you, thank you.
Thank you. Bye-bye. मन चाहे कहिए कुछ.
It's a nice festival.
Oh, beautiful, beautiful.
And everybody's working very hard.
हाँ.
And everyone is enjoying. And we are expecting over 10,000 people today.
Oh yeah, oh yeah.
Hopefully, let's have the best.
The whole community comes together on a day like today, right?
Beautiful. And it's beautiful weather outside.
I know, I know.
And I want to see every vendor to be successful.
Thank you, Ji.
Thank you. Okay. Bye.
Hello. Oh, that's a nice smile. Keep it up. And what's the name of the store? This is a store also, right?
We're actually wholesale.
Okay. Oh, nice.
Stores. Commercial creations.
Okay, so today if I want to buy something, I can buy? I can.
You can.
Okay, even though you're a wholesaler. Excellent. So happy to be here, huh?
Yeah.
Good luck. I hope you make a ton of money.
Thank you.
Hello. Looks like you can use some company. आपका नाम बताइए.
Dipti Patel.
Dipti Patel.
Yeah,
Okay.
registered nurse.
Oh, okay. Oh, so this is for the healthcare.
Nutrition, yes.
Okay, great. You're from Long Island?
Yes, I work at Winthrop University Hospital.
Oh, I see. I see. Okay. What's your specialty?
Nurse, critical care nurse.
Clinical. Critical care. Oh, so you save lives. Thank you, Dipti ji.
Okay, thanks.
Welcome.
Okay,
Who is the vendor? Who is the customer here?
with the vendor.
Okay. And may I have your name? Oh, you look very good. Very good light.
Indu's Creations. Indu.
Okay. And what store is this? What is the name of your company?
Indu's Creations.
Hindu's creation. So
Yes.
they are all your own creation?
Yeah.
Wow. Look at the beauty there.
I have beautiful pieces.
This is stunning. This is stunning. Oh my God. Look at the way they are even displayed. Beautiful. Women are going to be very happy today. The men are going to say, maybe I'll have to take another job, right? A woman's paradise and a man's hell, they say, right? Oh, stunning, 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 Indu ji. Indu ji, आप कहाँ के हैं? मतलब Long Island?
हाँ जी, Long
Okay, I'll take your card later. Wow, such beautiful stuff here. Cheerful face. Give me a cheerful face.
Oh, I don't need.
Om Shanti. Om Shanti. I do meditate every day, so I know how precious it is, you know. Hello, आप इधर आए हो? You're a guest?
No, we are in a New York Life.
Oh, New York Live. All right. Okay, welcome. Welcome. कुछ कहिए, कुछ
बस
कहिए।
बस बस
हंसिए।
मेरी फोटो फिर तो
गाइए, हंसिए, जो भी नाच कीजिए।
चलिए दोबारा मैं अभी सोचता हूँ फिर दोबारा करता हूँ.
ठीक है, बाद में।
My name is Rashmi Mitta and I'm the just the member of
वो भी है मेरे पास.
member at large, and we are celebrating India Fest and it's very lively and I'm enjoying and I'm inviting everybody and enjoy as much as you can.
Great, thank you. Say something?
Maybe my daughter will say something.
Okay, say something. Your jewelry speak. I guess you let your jewelry speak for you, huh? Okay. Beautiful stuff. Where are they from? From Long Island?
No, we're from New Jersey.
Oh, New Jersey. I see quite a few people from New Jersey.
New Jersey has the best.
Huh? Has the best?
New Jersey has the best.
Oh, really? You're talking to a New
New
Yorker.
Jersey has the best and the cheapest.
Well, listen, you guys are nice to us, so we do go to New Jersey to buy good stuff.
Thank you.
So thank you for
We
coming.
always come to ILI show.
Oh, great,
We are patronized by them and we patronize them. We encourage each other.
great,
Promoting Indian culture, what our best way we can.
absolutely, beautiful. Thank you for being here.
Welcome.
Good luck.
Thank you.
Hello, sir.
Hello, how are you?
Good, thank you. May I have your name?
My name is Bob.
And you are here for the show?
I'm here as a guest in the hotel.
Oh,
but
nice.
I saw all this beautiful things,
Uh-huh.
and I brought my wife, as foolish as that might be. She might spend money. But
No.
it is a beautiful event.
Thank you for being here and spend all you can and let us spend and have fun.
Thank you.
Thank you, Bob.
हाँ हो गया.
ना हाँ वो बीट भाई ना
यप
अच्छा अच्छी है
बहुत बढ़िया आ रही है.
अच्छा हाँ लाइट अच्छी है
हम्म.
मेरे ख्याल में सभी को इधर ही लानी है मुझे
या
बात करने की
या
अच्छा
आई एम गेटिंग गुड पिक्चर.
हाँ
या
बस बंद कर दीजिए थैंक यू कोई आने को चाहते हैं थैंक यू
जस्ट सी इट.
Ah, that's nice. Are you happy to be here? Okay, go ahead. Have fun. Say something. Oh, nice. Very nice. Say something. Dance.
How are you? Welcome to our booth.
Okay, and that's all. Oh, okay. This is the Gayatri Parivar. Very nice.
We are here to advertise for our school.
Okay. Where is the school?
It's in Dixfield. A Bal Sanskar Shala for the young kids.
Okay.
And we have Indian culture, Indian languages, yoga, pranayam, and lots of activities for our young kids from Indian origin and
Okay.
even American if they want to learn. And we have like, last year we had 170 kids. So this year we are enrolling more than that. And we are having the Gayatri Yajna on the first day of school as an initiation ceremony.
Amazing. Thank you. आप कुछ कहिए?
आप भी आइए.
मैं आऊँगी. मैं खुद
ये हम लोग 108 कुंडी गायत्री यज्ञ हवन करने जा रहे हैं.
Okay.
और ऑल द चिल्ड्रंस ऑफ आवर स्कूल उस यज्ञ में बैठने वाले हैं. एंड वी विल गिव देम द प्रैक्टिकल डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन ऑफ द यज्ञ, हाउ वी कैन परफॉर्म द यज्ञ एंड व्हाट इज द साइंस बिहाइंड द यज्ञ एंड द फिलोसॉफी ऑफ द यज्ञ. यज्ञ की फिलोसॉफी यही है कि सेल्फलेस सर्विस टू द सोसाइटी, बिकॉज वट एवर यू पुट इन यज्ञ डोंट कीप एनीथिंग विद him, he's just giving out to the world. The same way, whatever you got it, you have to donate your time, you donate your, whatever resources you have, intelligence, everything to the society. And that's what we are going to teach to the children through this yajna.
Excellent. Thank you, sir. And Prem. Good to have you. Good to see you. Welcome to India Fest.
Good to be here.
And you are one of the founders of all this. Did you ever think 25, 30 years ago it was going to grow to this?
That's nice.
Yes. We are very grateful.
We'll enjoy the India Fest. You too enjoy it.
We are very grateful to you. Thank you, Raj.
Thanks.
Prem, just say hello. Just 1 second, please. Okay, I got Prem also. Are you with the Gayatri Parivar?
Right, Gayatri Parivar, and the Gayatri Parivar is the Gayatri mantra is totally based on the soul, the sun, the energy of the sun. That is the basic rule of the life. Because without sun there is no life. So
So this is uplift your spirit and give you good guidance in the life. Right thinking, right acting, and right speaking. That is the motto of the Gayatri Mantra. Reform yourself and the world will be reformed. Don't worry about anybody else, just worry about yourself. That what you are doing. Look at you, look ourselves, look at ourselves, and that will be it. Looking at you, people will turn around.
Thank
That's
you.
it. Good.
Hi, you want to sit? Good, how are you? Welcome to India Fest.
Thank you.
I'm part of the IALI, that's why I'm saying welcome.
This is an amazing event. We need to do more of these events.
Yeah, and you guys are doing terrific work, you know. You know,
Golden's, no, see his picture, but right here. He's the person who inspired all of us to be where we are. He has written 3,000 books. Every topic, every aspect of life that you can think of. Not just the birth, what happens after that. And I have to tell you, when I read that book, I realized how every moment is so important. Because no matter what karma, you have to suffer the effect of karma this birth or next birth. And it was so impressive that our students in our school, these are kids that are like in middle school and high school, and I let them read that book about what happens after death. And they wrote the summary saying how it has changed their life.
Dina Lamba, chairperson for the Women's Forum. How are you, Rohini?
Good.
Beautiful place, you're really enjoying, and looks like everybody ready to start the program.
Just want to let everybody know, all the vendors know you need to move your cars
building
and
up,
park.
the energy level
Once
is
you have
building up.
unloaded, you need to move them and park them in the parking spot unless you want your car
And people are coming in, and look at the vendors.
Great to see you, Veena. Great to see you, Veena.
Yeah, you too.
See you.
Thanks a lot. See you later.
Oh, wonderful. Perfect lighting. Say something. You're here as guests at the hotel?
I'm here now to look for a sari.
Oh, look for a sari.
Yes, and jewelry.
You're in the right
I'm in the right place,
You're
yes, I am.
absolutely in the right place.
I am, for a
You see,
threading ceremony.
He has kind of a long face. I wonder why.
He's got to get a shirt.
Ah, okay. Good. Welcome, guys. Have fun. I'm going to shut it off.
Hi, Shama. Say hi.
Hi, handsome. Hi, pretty mommy. Say something. You're a vendor?
Yeah, I'm a vendor over here. The company's name is Panache Couture. Today is my exhibition with Lucknowi kurtis and suits.
Nice. So they're coming back.
Yeah.
And where are you located? What, Long Island?
Yeah, I'm in Long Island, Bethpage.
Oh, nice. Okay. Welcome and good luck.
Hi.
Keep going.
Welcome to Hyatt, everybody. We're going to have a beautiful, lovely show all day. Beautiful. See you later.
Tell.
Talk to you later.
Great show. Keep it up. लगता है किसी की शादी होने वाली है।
है ना? ये दिल बहल तो ले जरा
This is really candid camera.
That's it.
You are too scripted, Yogesh. Come on, be yourself. Listen, be yourself. You know what? Don't give me any BS. Just be yourself.
Should I sing a song?
Impossible.
Yeah, sing.
That's impossible.
ख्वाब है
हाँ.
ख्वाब में झूठ क्या और भला सच है क्या
सब सच है
जिंदगी ख्वाब है एक प्याली भर के मैंने गम के मारे दिल को दी
चलो
जहर ने मारा जहर को मुर्दे में फिर जान आ गई जिंदगी ख्वाब है
Thank you. Thank you.
And,
I thought of you when I put it on. I said, Anjana dresses like all these weird dresses. I love it. I said, I'll also dress you.
I'm typical Indian.
Oh, I can tell. You decided today you'll be different, so I decided to be Anjana today.
No wonder you'll be so pretty.
Oh, thank you. Oh,
I love your earrings.
Thank you.
Yeah.
They are from Pompeii.
Oh, really?
You know Pompeii, right?
No, I don't know.
Italy, yeah.
Italy.
That's a different story.
Indian style. As long as Italy is concerned, I just know Rome, France, Florence, and all that.
Pompeii, you know that.
very popular place.
यहाँ लिए. Hello Shobha.
Hi.
कुछ कहो या कुछ ना कहो, कुछ भी ना कहो.
कुछ कहने के लिए जरूरत नहीं है जब आप इतना खूबसूरत लग रहे हैं.
अरे सारे के सारे खूबसूरत हैं. मैं सचमुच आज कह रही थी, you know हम लोग जो पढ़े लिखे हैं, कोट एंड कोट पढ़े लिखे, हम सोचते हैं, oh सब छोड़ दो, you know, you don't have to think about looking pretty and you know that's for people. No, I'm just saying, कभी-कभी. Hi, अपना Indra Puri. Oh, Indra Puri. I write about you in the newsletter all the time. Remember?
Thank you.
Okay, let me have a video message from you.
You want a video message?
Yes, it's not just a short. Talk,
Oh, I thought-
talk, dance, sing, whatever.
Okay, then let me finish my this and.
खाते खाते I'll take a picture of you.
अच्छा, ताकि पता लगे कि I am the only one who was eating here.
No, बहुत लोग खा चुके हैं. मटरी अच्छी है. मटरी अच्छी है ना?
Excellent, good.
हाँ.
कहाँ से लेके आए आप लोग?
पता नहीं, मैं नहीं लाई ना. But this is a good idea. You know, हर साल ऐसी मिलती नहीं है. This is a good idea. Ranuji is doing things a little differently with. I'm happy about that. तो बाद में करूँ आपकी वीडियो. आप खाना पूरा कीजिए बाद में.
इसलिए नहीं आना होता है. बाकी मैंने थर्ड फोर्थ दोनों खाली कर.
निशी जी ये आप इंडिया फेस्ट के बारे में कुछ कहिए.
वीडियो ले रहे हैं.
हाँ निशी जी या सीनियर फोरम के बारे में कुछ कहिए. मैं तो अपनी न्यूज़लेटर में लगा दीजिए जो भी फोरम की बात है, पर आज की बात कहिए कुछ.
India Fest?
How long you have been coming?
I am coming in India Fest, I will say at least 10 years.
Nice.
At least 10 years. And I see it's in Hayat. This is a beautiful place. It's indoor. And a lot of people, you know, this place can hold a lot of people. Very nice. And we have I heard there are so many booths which we never had before. Never had before.
I'm just recording her.
This is the only. They said President actually mentioned that this is the only year you will see that many booths we never had before. So I'm looking
What
forward.
is the boat?
Booths.
Okay.
Right,
okay.
booths.
Yeah, that's fantastic. You know, but I was curious about something. This is a personal thing. Like we used to have it outdoor, and I did enjoy the roaming, you know, the grounds, you know. Now it's very limited in terms of, you know, just you're confined rather. It's confined. I know it has its pluses, but do you miss the outdoor? I know this has a lot of pluses when you don't have to worry about the rain or shine.
Yes, I do, but this hot weather, I think this is a plus. Big plus.
Sure,
because
the
it's
air
hot,
conditioned.
right? It's air conditioned, free air conditioning. You're enjoying all this whole fair.
People used to come more in the evening because it'll cool down, if you remember.
Right.
When it was outdoor.
Yes, right. But
I have a nice umbrella from Venice. It is a cotton lace umbrella. These days I don't leave home without it. I'm not kidding. It is so useful. You know?
especially these days.
Yes, thank you,
We are
Nishiji.
getting a lot of hits.
Thank you, Nishiji.
Thank you.
I'm just.
Okay, you're taking our card.
Okay.
Ooh la la. What little hip action. Are you looking good or are you just flashing?
Beautiful.
Are you just flashing or are you just taking it? She's not flashing. She's not flashing.
It looked like you look like angels. What can I say?
It's so good to be angels. She means devils. I know. It's so good to be angel nowadays. Much more fun to be a
But
devil.
keep the angel
Much
face.
more fun to be a devil.
I know.
Okay, give me your card. I don't have my card because I switched crosses, but I can give you all the details. Oh, you can send me an email or my thing, and then let me take a.
Thank you.
Our Vice President, IALI.
Okay, I'm the Vice President of IALI. My name is Jaya Bahatkar. I am representing here, checking out the booth. Everything is okay, and we have a lot of culture program. And they're selling some good sarees. I'm going through everybody's complaints and everything, taking care of everybody. Okay.
A lot of shopping.
Lots of shopping. Yeah. I love shopping. I love shopping.
Who doesn't?
Thank you. So have a good day.
Thank you. You too. Great show.
Thank you.
Take care. Talk to you. Bye. To the program.
Hi, welcome to the program. I'm Karan from near Delhi. I'm here to visit and display my designs. I'm a designer. I design Indian clothing, Punjabi suits, sarees, and many other things like blouses, jewelry. We have loads of things. If you can see, this is my display. Like over here, these are the designer pieces. And you'll find the best pieces with the best quality and the best prices with me.
Beautiful stuff.
Thank you.
Beautiful. Great stuff. Great stuff. Are you happy?
Yeah, I'm really happy. It's fun, like traveling abroad, alone. Everything
Business is good?
Yeah, business is pretty good
You're
actually.
selling stuff today?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
10 मिनट वास्ते मुझे पता अगर किसी अगर रहेगा तो मैं ले आऊंगा
ਮੈਨੂੰ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਪਰਫਾਰਮ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਸੀ ਜਦੋਂ ਮੈਂ ਦੇਖਿਆ ਤਾਂ
हाँ जी हाँ जी हाँ चलो मैं इधर
Good job. I love it. Tomorrow, yesterday.
जी हाँ चलो अच्छा हो गया पर आज तो मजा आ गया हाउ आर यू आज तो मजा आ गया
चलिए चलिए कुछ कहिए ना आप लोग।
कहाँ चले?
अभी यही रुकिए यही रुकिए आप कुछ कहिए अपनी इतनी केपेबल वाइफ के बारे में कुछ कहिए और कहिए behind every successful woman there is a man and I am the man.
I wish I had more than one like her. You mean take it in the positive sense, though, not other way.
I will not tell her that. मैं चुपचाप रहूंगी। रेखा आप कुछ कहिए ना। हमारी
सबको इंडिया फेस्ट प्रोग्राम पे बहुत बहुत मुबारक हो एंड द 65th एनिवर्सरी ऑफ इंडिया इंडिपेंडेंस डे कांग्रेचुलेशंस टू एवरीबॉडी जय हिंद
जय हिंद थैंक यू say something
I'm
Rekha ji, the secretary of IALI.
Rekha Valiappan, secretary of IALI, standing here in the Hyatt Windwatch in Hauppauge on a beautiful occasion. We are having a huge crowd of people for India Fest, and we just finished celebrating the India Day Parade yesterday. It's part of the Indian Independence Day celebrations, and India Fest by India Association of Long Island is proving true to form, and huge crowds here gathered here today. We are looking at the cultural programs, scores of people going through the booths and the vendors. We are very happy and we are very proud to be here today.
Yeah, thank you. Jai Hind, thank you. Taking picture, talk because it's video.
What do I talk?
Yes, talk whatever. You are the past president of IALI.
Missed you, haven't seen you in a long time.
I am there. Where is the newsletter? Who's producing the newsletter?
Second newsletter.
It's coming out because I'm waiting for material. Oh, look who is here. Hi, Aruna. Say hello.
Hello.
Pretty face. Good to see you. बात कीजिए अपने आपस में आपस में कर लीजिए और मेरे साथ आउटफिट बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है बहुत सुंदर है
I am. हमने कहा decent थोड़ा लग जाए वो लोग right picture खींचने
हाँ वीडियो
और क्या
बहन जी आपका तो लिया सुबह में नहीं खाना नहीं बस बार खाना नहीं
Good to see you. काम कर रहे हैं
नीला कुछ कहो यार
क्या कर रहा आपने सुबह से
मैं 9:30 आया था
खा रहे
स्टेज आपने बनवाई आके
I think it's very interesting, and we see lot of and the culture program, boy, is one of the best we've ever seen the culture program. And look forward for the fashion show. I tell you, that will be one of the best fashion shows we've ever seen. And go on.
there's no end in today. The food are out of the world. Best food you could ever eat. Enjoy. Thank you.
You guys know what you do. I know that.
Yes.
Thank you for that, bringing it to Long Island. You know, you didn't know that. Hello, Mr. कुछ ना कहो, कुछ भी ना कहो. कोई अपनी मर्जी से कुछ कहिए ना. आपके हस्बैंड बहुत हार्ड वर्क कर रहे हैं. So behind every successful man there's a woman. और वही है आप.
Of course I am.
आप वही woman हैं.
बहुत काम किया.
हाँ, बहुत चल रहा है.
काम करने के बाद देखो बाहर thousand of people is coming for India Fest. They are enjoying. The cultural program is very excellent. It's going good.
और आपकी नंबर भी बड़ी अच्छी थी.
Yeah, I did performance for myself.
शुक्रिया. तो फिर से मिलके फिर से करेंगे सब कुछ.
Yeah, sure, of course. We are continuous doing these things.
This is a tradition handed down to us.
Yeah.
We have to keep it going. Thank you.
Thank you, Rohini ji.
Bye bye. See ya.